guys, welcome to Cruising Kiddos. Today we're going to be seeing a room tour of room 730 on deck 11, one bedroom aqua theater suite. Right there is the door to get into the room, and that's the door that you just came from. So when you walk in, right here you have a cabinet with your bathrobes. And if you back up, that leads you to the living room area. So you have a sofa and two chairs, a table, side table right there, another one over there, and then here is a TV area. There is your mini fridge, and then these are just cabinet space. And then if you make your way outside, we're on port right now at Port Canaveral. We have a really long balcony that goes all the way down. So you have two loungers and a side table. And when you go around, you have your bedroom and then your living room area that we just came from. And then over here you have a table. And it looks over the aqua theater. If you look over here, you have some more seats. This is where we just came from. We are going to make our way over to this door. This is the bedroom. So here's the bed. You have outlets on both sides. You have a phone, cabinet space over here. Same on that side. When you look over, you have some more cabinets. This one you do not have access to, but these do open up with some lights. And that's where your safe is. When you turn this way, you have drawers, your TV, a vanity with lights that go here. And then when you turn this way, this is the bathroom. You have a tub, upgraded bath amenities. So you have some drawers and cabinets, and you have two sinks and more of the upgraded bath amenities. Over there is the toilet, and here's the shower, big glass shower, more of the upgraded bath amenities. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to go to my Instagram, Cruising Kiddos. Make sure to stay tuned this week for tours and more. And thank you all for watching. Bye.